Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do brinjal fry. Prepared with freshly ground masala, this will taste so good. For the recipe, you can take around 8 to 10 brinjals. You have to chop the stem and cut them into long pieces. In order to keep the brinjal fresh, you have to put them in water immediately after chopping. By this way, you can avoid brinjal from turning brown. So let this be in water until used. Now take a pan, add half a teaspoon of split chickpeas, half a teaspoon of split pigeon peas, half a teaspoon of coriander seeds and half a teaspoon of peppercorns. We are going to dry roast this. Once everything got roasted well, transfer this into a mixie jar. Allow this to cool down and powder it. Now take a pan and add some oil, preferably sesame oil. Once oil is hot enough, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. To this add a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida. Next, let us add few curry leaves and then the chopped brinjals. Saute the brinjals well for few minutes. Close this and cook in medium flame until the brinjals get soft. The brinjals got cooked now. We can see the change in color. To this add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder and the required amount of salt. Saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, let us add the prepared masala. Give a nice mix and saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes and then you can switch off the flame. Here the brinjal curry is ready and this is a perfect side dish for rice and roti. Let us transfer this into another bowl. Do try the recipe. This will be so good. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.